Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can edit your name of Share Snap on Snapchat. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. After that, scroll until you can find your story. Now, tap on the three dot icon beside it. After that, you will see an option named Rename Story. Tap on it and then give the name of your choice. Once you are done, select the Done button. And that's it. Your shared story on Snap has been renamed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.